Create incredible videos of your app. We'll do all the work for you. Want to learn how? Access www.stayfilmads.com and begin making your video. Let's get started. Choose your language. Insert your app's Google Play URL. And select the type of screenshot you use for your app. You can pick up to 4 images and choose from many video styles. Pick your favorite one and add exclusive content to make it more interesting. Select or write a sentence to highlight your app's best qualities. Then there's your soundtrack. Choose from a variety of options. To personalize it more, pick the colors that better match your app. And your video will be ready in seconds. You can make as many as you like. Easy, right? Make it, like it, share it. And you'll get 3 different formats. Advertise with Google Ads, promote your app in the store, and share on social media. Help your app stand out. Stayfilm Ads. It's that simple.